Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Here I am going to share that SNS roadmap from cheers to creation. Today I am excited to share my understanding of SNS Institution roadmap, a journey designed to nurture creativity, innovation or entrepreneurial thinking in every student. Every storytelling begins in choice. This is the moment of friction where the problem or unclear effort or scattered fraction of dominate progress. SNS begin a journey here, acknowledging the chaos is not failure. It is the birthplace of creation. Challenges. This phase represent the mercy starting point where system is inefficient, people lack of direction and friction, slow growth. So SNS identify this necessary discomfort before the clarity. Common man and business here. SNS reflect on standard conventional approaches. Most people operate in predictable, safe ways, following norms rather than questioning them. Recognizing this mastery is first step toward breaking it. The begin to choose to challenges. I am thrilled to share the SNS institution have become the first in Indian institutes introduce the design thinking curriculum, making the significant step toward the innovative education. Design thinking, the turning point. SNS adopt the design thinking, a mindset of empathy, experimentation, and then human-centered innovation. Instead of focusing on product or grades, it focus on people, their needs, frustration, and then dreams. Design thinking transform choice to into structured creativity, allowing ideas to evolve logically and empathically. Design thinking become bridge between the confusion and then creations. Next one, building culture. 3P and then 3C framework. In 3P culture in SNS institution, 3P is nothing but purpose, process, people. The form of foundation for building an entrepreneurial mindset through the design thinking. This framework integrates into every aspect of institutional operation, creating and organizing the impact driven educational and experience. And 3P culture, purpose, process, people. Purpose give the direction, process provide the discipline, people bring the patient. Process provide discipline. People bring patient together. They form the trait that define the SNS ecosystem. Every initiative is purpose driven, process oriented, people centric. Then 3C framework, attitude, logic, and technique. This framework develops the intellectual and behavioral foundation of innovation. Attitude is the cultivate reliance and curiosity. Logic ensures the structural problem solving skills. Techniques bring hands on mastery. The balance of these three create individual who think, reason, and execute efficiently. And then five pillar excellence. The five pillar of SNS institution are the core areas that focus on learning and teaching, skill and career development, creativity, industry connect, and then social responsibility initiative. These pillars form a strategic approaches to education that aim to provide the student with not only the academic knowledge but also the practical and social skills need to success and contribute to society. Next one, growth. Growth and innovation 7 plus 7 technology. Turning culture into creation once the mindset and culture are in place. Journey shift towards the scaling innovation. Making creativity systematic and measurable. Innovation 7 plus 7 and the structure innovation ecosystem. 14 innovation clubs across the various domain. The framework promotes peer learning, experimentation, and collaborative creation to ensure innovation is not accidental, it is habit. Innovation 7 plus 7 SNS institution refers to SNS program combined 7 key industries vertical with the 7 innovation technology to foster entrepreneurship using design thinking framework. This approaches focus on teaching students how to create innovative solution for the industrial and societal problems through the practical and project-based and cross-disciplinary learning method. It's the 7 plus 7 industries. Next one, AI integration. Gen AI enablement, the blood step into the future. SNS integrate generative AI across the teaching, projects and problem solving. This enables the students and faculty to think like innovator using AI as the co-creator, not just a tool. Next one, certified talent. Certified talent is nothing but IT, business, engineering, health, anything. Learning, cumulative or in mastery. SNS build globally recognized certified talent pool. Professional who blend technical expertise with creative and human-centered skills. Certification here means not just passing test, it's significant real world readiness. It's the growth no longer about learning more, it learning differently. Next one, excellence in motion. To gamifying growth in SNS institution using smart OKR, combining the ambition, team-oriented nature of OKR, objective key resources with specific, measurable, achievable, and relevant to time bound in smart framework. Incorporate game machines. Start with high level OKR that define growth mechanics. Start with high level OKR objective key resources define growth objective that use mod goal to define the specific action needed for the employees to achieve them and gamifying this process by adding the element like leaderboard points and badges for hitting the key result, making achievements of the smart and then OKR more engaging and motivating. Next one, the vision. 1000 AI startup. SNS Institution 1000 AI startup vision is a 10 years initiative through their SNS Innovation Hub, that is iHub, to create the thousands of artificial intelligence startup by integrating entrepreneurship into their curriculum. The program uses 7 plus 7 framework linking industry vertical with the technological domain, provides the resource like the incubation and mentorship from the over 300 mentors and sheet the funding to help their students turn their ideas into successful ventures. The future growth mindset. Growth mindset using the design thinking and artificial intelligence. The journey end where it began with the mindset. SNS closes to the loop by nurturing a growth mindset that believe that the ability can be developed through effort, learning, and collaboration. Combined with design thinking on artificial intelligence, it becomes the core philosophy of lifelong excellence. The essence from the choice to creation, as it heart, the SNS roadmap is the journey of transformation. Stage focus, the transformation and foundation choice, the design thinking from frustration to empathy, framework and culture, and 3P and 3C system from individual to community growth and innovation, A certification from learning to create excellence and creation, startup mindset, and from success to significance, and it all guided by one core belief within the design thinking provide logical approaches and AI enabling the scale. Thousand startup mission is not just a dream, it is achievable. Uh, from choice to creation, building a culture of excellence through design thinking and artificial intelligence. Thank you.